Now, when you look at the social behavior and play, so you see that the fry are kind of forming early social structures. Some fry lead, they are exploring new territories and testing boundaries, while others follow, learning from observation and gradually gaining confidence. So, playful nudges and sparring help to establish hierarchies, and this also is teaching essential life skills. So it's like a school playground where children are testing boundaries, they're learning cooperation and discovering leadership skills through play. And what are the lessons that we can learn from this independence? Firstly, we see that growth often requires change. The parent stepping back allows the fry to learn on their own. Challenges also build resilience. Without constant guidance, fry must adapt, compete, and thrive. And we see that nature's cycle continues. While the fry grow, the parents may already be preparing for another spawn. And therefore, life never stops moving forward. Sometimes stepping away is an act of love. The parent's absence isn't abandonment, it's a gift of space and trust.